Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to add ChatGPT plugin in WordPress. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you want to do is to log into your WordPress CMS using your provided username and password. Once you log into the dashboard area, you'll navigate into the left section where we have plugins. I'll click on the plugin command, and from the different plugins that are in here, we want to add a ChatGPT plugin. So I'll navigate into the Add New Plugin section at the top and click. And from the plugin directory, I can search through or navigate to the top right location and type in ChatGPT. Now notice we have quite a number of ChatGPT plugins that are developed by different vendors and designers. I'll look through to the many ChatGPT plugins that are available. And if you don't know which one to select, you can look at the number of activations or active installations. You can also look at the ratings to make sure you are getting the right one. So if you see, for example, this one has 19,800 plus active installation, and some of these, like this, which has 4,000 active installations, etc., etc. So for this demonstration, I'll just pick one. This is AI chatbot with ChatGPT and content generator. I'll click on install, and once the installation is complete, I'll click on activate. Now once it's activated, the plugin will show up on my plugin list. Happens to be at the top here. And also, if you look at the left panel on the menu, I also have the assistant here, and if I hover on the name, I get a flyout menu to do some settings. I'll select the setting option. From the flyout menu, I'll be prompted to enter my OpenAI application key. So since I want to do that, I'll click on the sign up option, which will open the OpenAI sign up option. On the window provided, I will log in with my email because I already have an account with OpenAI. I'll click continue with Google, and I'll be connected into the OpenAI dashboard. Notice the different capabilities that are here, including some of the guides on how to use. Now I'll navigate back into my blog and select the OpenAI key page. Moreover, I can just navigate into the OpenAI, go to my API and create one. So I'll select the OpenAI key page, and from the API keys generation option, I'll select create a new secret key. Notice I don't have any that is in existence. So I'll click on create a new secret key. I'll give it a name, have it as a default, and give it all the permissions. I'll click on create, and then copy once generated and select done. I'll navigate back into my blog section and paste it in. Once it's done, I'll select connect API key. Once you're done, you can now enter all the other customizations and settings to make your plugin work. And there you have it. That is how you add a ChatGPT plugin in WordPress. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next nugget.